Hi, Tim Lowndes here with Charles Thomas Homes, and today I want to talk about why you should avoid that existing used home and build a high-performance new home with Charles Thomas Homes. A used existing home can present a lot of issues. Issues about your health, issues about your efficiency, and issues regarding your long-term cost of ownership. You know, in today's market we see a lot of foreclosures out there, a lot of maybe good deals on the market, or they look like they're a good deal. But how good of a deal are they? There might be an awful lot of things you have to do to get that house to be somewhat efficient, and of course you can't get it completely efficient. Leaky homes bring in a lot of bad air from outside and trap it inside. So if you were to avoid that leaky used home and build a high-performance new home, you're going to have the state-of-the-art indoor air quality. So building a new green home is a very healthy way to live as well.